Pawpaw Sammy here. I want to show you this. It says steel chain detacher. That's my latest acquirement I found. I like digging up old tools pertaining to construction work, ironwork. You don't usually rig with a chain, but sometimes for whatever reason, you need to break one. We always use the torch. And I've tried to research this thing. So far, I've had no luck. I've been on Google, I've been everywhere. But it's quite healthy. It's stout, a good solid hunk of iron there. Now, a lot of people, so I get a lot of my tools from antique stores. You see this little hand drill? A lot of people will buy them and they'll polish them up and clean them. That's personal, your personal choice. Personally, I took a little soap, cleaned the handle up good, went ahead and made sure there was no rust on it. Got a little place for the oil. I oiled it up a little bit, and not much. I mean, just a touch. And it works like a charm. Now, don't laugh. A lot of people buy them drills with batteries, and they run out in the yard and start working. The battery goes dead. Well, that's fast. Now, if I had to put up a fence where you had hundreds of holes to drill, I'd run extension cords or either get a battery-operated drill. But if you're going to go out there and drill a hole or two, people, you can't beat that thing. It just keeps right on working. Save you a lot of time. That's a handy little gadget there. Now here, and like I was saying, I don't really like to paint them up and clean them up unless I'm not going to use them. Like my axe up there. The only reason it looks like that, I never intend to use it again. This is a working tool. And I've got some more somewhere over there I'll show later. This right here, you shuck corn with it. It says on here, Clarksville, Tennessee, Sheller Pony, Poney, Patch, Patch. Okay, USA. Now this, at one time I did use quite a bit. You know, you just drop the corn in the top, crank the handle, and this thing will shuck it out there fast and you can see what happened. Now, I also have a cornmeal maker. But believe me, a whole lot easier to go down there to Walmart and buy your cornmeal. I would shuck my own corn. I grew it, dent corn. I grew it. I shucked it. I made my own cornmeal and grits and cracked a little corn for the birds around the neighborhood. It was a hobby, something to do. I enjoyed it. But that's how I do my tools. Since I don't intend to use this anymore, I completely dismantled it. It is so easy to do. I mean, most of your old tools are simple. They're made to work and maintenance free, maintenance friendly. So I cleaned it off. I completely dismantled this thing, took all the rust off of it, put it back together piece by piece. You don't see a speck of rust on it. All I did to the handle was just soap and water, cleaned it up, got it. This is a wall hanger. I do not intend to use that again. If I do, well, I will, but I don't intend to do it. Now, since my battery went dead on my plug, on my control, like and subscribe.